Yo, Cryptus here. Welcome to a short form content where Cryptus explains everything for a day in 30 seconds or 60 seconds. Let's get started. Today we got the Fed interest rate decision at 6 p.m. UTC time, and you can see we got the Fed press conference also. This will change how we look at the charts for the next few weeks, and you can see we got the previous data at 3.75, and we will get the forecast here on the Fed tool. You can see in 9 hours we are around about to get the Fed interest data, currently sitting at 20.6% at the same rate. So it's 70% of the people think we are not going to change on the interest rate, but around 29% thinks we are going to have a rate hike by 25 bps or 0.25 points, percentage. And yeah, that's what I'm going to share on the charts. You can see before the market, the Fed FOMC stuff, we are having some sort of spot de-skin here. You can see after that you can see the futures that are rising with the price action. So it means that spot is de-skin at the moment. As you can see, some volatile candles over here, and on the Coinbase chart you can see this is blue one in Coinbase. You can see huge de-skin before the FOMC, and on the Nasdaq you can see some sort of huge sell-off from the top around which is around $31,200 to like $27,600. We also got stopped out in a long trade here, but if let's say we got a rate hikes, we are expected to move another 7.58% toward the lower side, which result in $26,000 on the Nasdaq. After that we got the BTC update. Here you can see we are on a BTC 4-hour chart. You can see we experienced huge sell-off just like Nasdaq. We are down from $67,000 to somewhere around $63,000, and now we are pumping back above $64,300. We got a breakup structure here. We got some imbalance on the chart over at the red boxes. You can see at $65,000 and $65,500. So if let's say for FOMC we got some bad data, let's say rate hikes or some stuff, so I am expecting this is a local top here. We are just going to retest it, and we are going to go below these previous lows, which is around $60,000 and $61,000. And yeah, but if let's say we don't have any sort of base data, we have let's say no rate hikes or no stuff. So what I'm expecting is, you can see we are in a range. We have swept this range at here. We formed a deviation. What I'm expecting is we have deviated the lows. Now we are going to sweep the highs over here. At this red box, the value is $67,000 to $862. So yeah, be prepared. I'll be sharing everything on my X. You can see around before 10 hours ago, I shared this Fed interest rate decision. I shared everything. Before that, I was sharing some free trades. Don't forget to follow on me on X. A link will be in the description. And yeah, this is the update for the FOMC.